This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, September the 4th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have this 594 ridge. We've been used to that the last couple of weeks. It'll be centered over the plains and into the central Rockies. The main jet stream will be well to our north, but we still have a slight northwesterly flow that's going to keep temperatures semi-cool, but not as cool as yesterday, with highs upper 70s north and east to mid to upper 80s south and west. And that'll be the case here even on Thursday. But late tonight, there could be an isolated shower or storm in the far northwestern counties, but by tomorrow, Thursday, it'll be long gone, and temperatures will likely still be in the upper 70s far northeast to mid to upper 80s south and west, with mainly sunny skies. You can see Friday, the GFS has some shower activity in northwestern Iowa once again. That'll be with a frontal system that'll be starting to sag into the state from the north, but little moisture with it, so the chances won't be very good. And you can see that frontal system a little bit better on Saturday. It'll be over the northern counties of the state, but again, the chances of rain don't look very promising, with highs in the 80s to lower 90s. You can see it here on Sunday over the northern and northeastern counties with some showers and thunderstorms, but the chances will be 20%, maybe 30%. Many areas south and west of, let's say, about Waterloo will be dry and hot, and then that rain lifts back to the north, and it still stays fairly warm by this point. Highs in the mid-80s to lower 90s. As we head into another work week with a storm system approaching from the north and west. But that storm really doesn't want to come in. It just slowly sags in here on Tuesday into the northwestern counties, but you can see very little moisture with it, so the chances of rain maybe 20% in the northern and northwestern counties of the state. But then a week from today, you can see the trough kind of digging in across the Great Lakes, at least, with the ridge kind of looking a little bit discombobulated, but sort of building up into the north and west, pushing the jet stream well into Canada. But you can see there's that frontal system. It kind of just sags into the state, with most of the moisture still off to our southwest over Kansas into the Four Corners region and into Texas, and very little around here. That seems to be typical of the last couple of months. The extended period doesn't look much better, but it looks a little bit wetter, with a storm system moving across the Canadian prairie provinces, with a trough kind of digging the jet stream toward us for once. And with this will bring a frontal system down that could bring some showers and thunderstorms. There's a little bit of a better chance, but this is in the extended period, and this could go away on the very next run, so don't put your hopes up with that. And at the end of the forecast on the 19th, we have a ridge over the central Gulf Coast states, a fairly decent trough axis just over the Rockies and Intermountain West. And with that's going to bring a storm system over the Black Hills of South Dakota and Wyoming. The Gulf will be wide open. That could bring showers and thunderstorms with high pressure over Hudson Bay. It'll be fairly warm if this is to be right, but we'll have to wait and see. The satellite image from last evening, some convective showers and thunderstorms over the Baja California and northwestern Mexico. A couple of storms all moving off the east coast, and fairly quiet elsewhere. The watch warning map also sees that it's fairly quiet. Some air quality alerts around the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We have some flash flood watches over Nevada and Idaho, and red flag warnings in the Oregon and Washington area. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing any rain is going to be very light, maybe 1/10 of an inch or less across the state. Northwestern part of the country and the Gulf Coast look to see the most rain in the next 5-day period.